everyone look over to your left. Now, everyone look over to your right. Now, everyone look at the person in front of you. Now, everybody look up here at me. Guess what? Chances are you just saw someone that's been bullied. Because as we talk to students all across America today, we find out that about 1 in every 4 students has experienced bullying in the school. You are going to play the part of the victim. The victim.
What?
The victim. That's the person who's being bullied.
Oh, I'm the victim.
I'm going to play the part of the bully. Because you ugly. You just bullied me. Yeah, you just said something mean about me in front of my friend.
Oh, it's just a kid.
Well, you know, you and I are friends, so I know you're just kidding. But you know what? If you would have said that to somebody, you really meant it, and you wanted to hurt their feelings and make them feel bad, you would have been a bully.
Ooh, I don't want to be a bully.
No way. Look at those ears.
You're just not nice. I've enough to come my ears along. You know what? I'll take you outside. That's what I'm doing.
Now repeat.
Yes?
That's exactly what I wanted you to do.
Really?
Yeah. See, I'm a bully, and I have fun when I see you fussing and fuming and carrying on like that. That's fun to me.
You are strange, dude.
That's just the way a bully has fun. But what I want to do is teach you how not to act the way the bully wants you to act. And when you don't, he's not going to have any fun at all bullying you. And when he's not having fun bullying you, he'll find something better to do. This is my little friend Randy the rat, and something's happened to him.
I just walked down the sidewalk and he jumped up behind the tree and he hit and he scratched and he bit and he jumped on me and he took a hurt on me.
I think someone's hurt him on purpose. Yeah! You know, when somebody hurts us on purpose, that's called physical bullying. Yeah! And whenever that happens, you know what to do? Eat!
No.
We need to let people know we're being hurt, so we're going to create a scene. If somebody's hurting us on purpose, we're going to yell really, really loud. And usually what'll happen, anybody around is going to turn and look to see what's going on. What in the world's taking place? Tell me what those big red letters are.
S-M-I-L-E.
Smile? That's right, smile.
Smile? You're not being mean to me and you don't need a smile like that?
Every letter in that word smile, and each one of those letters is going to remind us to do something when somebody comes up and tries to verbally bully us. We're not going to look down and look hurt and look afraid. We're going to just look them right in the eye. That lets them know that you know exactly what they're up to. When I say stronger than a bully, I mean stronger in character. We adults can't do it by ourselves. We really can't. We need your help. If that person's being bullied, and say, come on, you go with us. Come on. You don't have to. Come on. You can play with us. Come on. You know what? Just like a fireman rushes into a burning building and rescues someone out of that fire, you just rescued someone from a bully. You were more than their friend. You were their hero.
There's a hero in every.
You, because you really are stronger than a bully.